the shadows where dreams die, lurking whispers twist and sigh. Haunted halls where fear awakes, echoes of old ghostly takes. Midnight chimes with creeping dread, candle flickers crimson red. Footsteps echo in the dark, leave behind a chilling mark. No escape from the creeping fear when the nightmare draws you near. Trapped within this endless maze, lost in cold and empty gaze. Breathing shadows claw the wall, silent screams no one recalls. Eyes that watch from every door, seeking helpless souls to gore. Heartbeats pound like war drums fast as night begins its dark repast. Terror's grip, a tightening bind, lost in the labyrinth of mind. Distant cries invade your head, memories of those long dead. Fingers trace on frosted glass, counting moments as they pass. Distant cries invade your head, memories of those long dead. Fingers trace on frosted glass, counting moments as they pass.